Hey guys, welcome to Fretty World. So there's me getting ready to go to Jamaica, guys. So just come to Jamaica with me, guys. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go catch my flight and things. So I'm showing off my body because you know you can lost 30 pounds naturally. I was 205 pounds and now I'm at 175. So you don't know, I was consistent in the gym and thing. So I'm not where I want to be yet, but I know one day I will get there, right? So fitness is just not a one-day thing or a two-day thing. It's a lifestyle. You understand? You have to change a lot of stuff. You understand? So there's me in the plane. I think if you know me, you know I don't like taking plane. To be honest, I don't like taking plane. So there I'm on the plane. And to be honest, I had a bumpy ride. There was a lot of turbulence up there. The flight, there was a lot of turbulence. I had a bumpy ride. At one point, I was praying. So then I got to Jamaica safely. So I'm going on the road. I don't remember where I was going, but I know I'm going somewhere. So you know, I have to show off and things. So there I got some fish to cook, fresh fish from the sea. So there I'm taking a walk to the shop. Went to the shop to get something. Then I go cook some vegetable and so forth like that. And then I went on the road with my brother because my brother's Stinger. I don't know where we were going. Don't remember. Going somewhere. So we're there vibing and thing. Oh my god, guys, Jamaica is a vibe, guys. If you haven't been to Jamaica, trust me, book a flight and go. It's a vibe. It's nice. You won't regret it, trust me. So there, I'm on my way to the wharf to go and get my barrels because I was doing business in Jamaica, selling some barrels there, and I was selling stuff in Ochi Market. So there's my stuff I'm selling and thing. Yeah, because my trip was about business and just relax, do a little party now and here and there. Yeah, but just mainly relax. Okay, so I got some ink. So big up to the big bad tattoo artist, tattoo surgeon. Hit him up on Instagram and thing. You have affordable price and thing. So he's giving me a cover up. So I have some stars on my feet there. So I'm gonna cover it with a Jamaican map. There we go. Look at it. Beautiful. Look. Out of many one people. I'm a proud Jamaican. Trust me. I love my country. Big up the Rayad. You understand? Proud Jamaican. Yes, so there I'm on the market. As I told you, it's mainly about business. You understand? It's mainly about business. So then I'm off to the country. I'm off to St. Elizabeth. For some reason, I have some bad here in Jamaica. Then I'm off to Trelawney to go see my dad's grave. So I'm from Trelawney, where we know for Big Yamil. I'm from Trelawney, where we know for tie out goat. I'm from Trelawney, where we know for tie out cow. I'm from Trelawney, where rain fall every day. You understand? So on the highway to Trelawney. I'm a proud girl from Trelawney. I'm from Trelawney, where we have the best athlete. Anyway, so there's me getting my hair done. To me, this hairdresser never do my hair good enough. That's the wig, that's the outcome. Didn't like the hairstyle. I have some bad hair days in Jamaica. Anyway, so it's my cousin Mary, Too Cute Mary. So big up Too Cute Mary. We are prepared for Kush video shoot. Big up Evident. Everybody go over YouTube, type in Evident, like, comment, share, subscribe. We have a big bad music video over there called Kush. Run over there, you understand? Yes, so it's me and my cousin joking around and me have video and thing. And we are going with ourselves, because you don't know, say. We are going to angle the music video, you understand? Yeah, so there's a music video. This is a little clip over there, you know, doing a little video, you know, and thing. You know, go on with yourself. So, this is my cousin Opal jewelry for your waist bead, for your anklet. Hit her up, Opal jewelry. TikTok, Facebook, Opal Jewelry. So they were all in a vibes for the music video and thing. How angle the music video, you know. And this is after the video. Your girl still, you know, makeup still. And the makeup done by me. But do a good job with my makeup. Me do my makeup. Yeah. They look nice. Oh God. Anyway, have a productive rest of your week. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.